Hi everyone, welcome to Dennis B Trains. I wanted to give a little review on the farm stuff and my animals that I got on my layout. All my farm stuff I got on Amazon, believe it or not. Even the big tractor was from Amazon. And the cows I think were too. Now the cows are pretty popular. If you haven't seen my videos on the cows, you need to go back and search through, and I'll try and attach a link. The cows are bad. They have a leader, her name is Penzi. But I got all these little waterfowl, and then I got some deer, more waterfowl. There's a couple more, there's a tractor and a bin. And the horses, they're kind of wandering around town. Got more waterfowl here. And chickens. And on top of the American Materials building is a culprit for all the cows. Not the doggy, and not the duck or goose. That's Penzi right there. She's a troublemaker. But she watches over everything, as she's doing right now. And I think the doggy's keeping an eye on Penzi. But there is another horse. And a couple more horses over there. Got those on Amazon. The little house, I got that a while ago. And it's a put it together thing. And it's really cute. I like it. I got the little water bottles, or milk bottles off of Etsy, I think. And everything was pretty reasonable. I thought it was a pretty good deal. Serves its purpose well. And pretty happy with it. They're nice. The little wagon, got that on Klarna. And the other little wagon was on Klarna. So, just wanted to do a little quick review. Here's a close-up of the popular gang. So, keep an eye out for the cows. I think maybe the horses are up to something. I don't know yet. I'm keeping an eye on them. But just keep an eye out. I'll let you know any important updates. Again, this is Dennis B Trains, and thanks for watching. And have a great day.